So a great example of, a fuel and maintenance program that kind of works is think about the opportunity to, during the course of a driver's day, to be able to route your driver day or week or month, actually route your driver to the fuel station that you want them getting fuel at, getting the proper fuel for their vehicle at the right price, and then maybe scheduling and routing their maintenance stops. The vehicle knows when it needs maintenance and it tells us, right? And there are other components that can lead to alerts like engine diagnostic codes and things that help us to develop a maintenance event schedule that we could then route our drivers into and make their day more efficient. And then we know all those things get done, increasing vehicle life, reducing waste, and all the things that kind of an example in your fleet could do. And it's possible.